Hi, I've got another unboxing video for you, and this time it is a Birchbox. Whoop! All the contents are coming out the drawer. So this is the May's edition of Birchbox. Gorgeous, gorgeous design. I do love these boxes. Super handy to put things in and all that. So no, I quite like that. So if you're new to Birchbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. It is a beauty monthly subscription box. It costs £12.95 and you are free to cancel anytime you want. Well, maybe by a specific date, but I will link all the information down below. So if you're interested, you can take a look and just click on the show more and it'll all be down there. I'll also link all the items that are inside this box and let you know whether it's full size, sample size, and the cost of it as well. And I'll try and gauge how much the actual overall cost of the box would cost if you were to buy things individually. I also have a refer a friend code for £5 off your first box, so I'll pop that down there as well. But I'm not a regular subscriber to Birchbox. I was a couple of years ago, but then I took a long break, so I tend to dip in and out of Birchboxes. I just find that there's better boxes out there, to be honest. In all honesty, I do like some of the products that I've had. I adore these little boxes, but I just think Birchbox are renowned for giving tiny samples and also for having repeats as well. So yeah, that's why I don't stick with them full time, but I do like to dip in and out, and obviously the box design sways that for me. So last month it was a Kath Kitson, gorgeous, gorgeous design box. So then I decided, no, I'll go for another box and then I might have a break and then come back at the end of the summer or something like that. So yeah, let me know your thoughts about Birchbox. Do you have like a love-hate relationship? Well, I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. Never mind. So there you go. So inside you get a mix of beauty items, makeup, skincare, hair care, and some tools as well. So let's open it up and see what you've got. Ooh, now I can see already I have got 2 extras. I'll just put that down to the side. Normally I don't have a look in the box, but I could just see that because I sort of knew I was going to get that. So those are my items inside the box. I can roughly work out that the card is underneath. Oh, I wish Birchbox put the card on top, because then it means that I wouldn't know what's inside. So I have an idea now. Never mind. And also you get a little leaflet and it tells you about all the products inside this month's box, and it also gives you a sneak peek. So if you don't want to know what the sneak peek for June is, then look away now. So that's what you get in. Ooh, there you go. So the theme for this month's box is palm leaves and warm breeze. So going back to the 2 items that I picked out, now I've already had these in my last box, and it was because I hadn't signed up for quite a while, so it was my like subscription gift then, and I had a Spectrum brush and a Cargo Cosmetics blusher. Even though I can't really navigate Birchbox's website and know if someone has used my refer a friend code or not, because apparently I'm supposed to get freebies, which I've got, and someone's clearly used my code, but I'm also supposed to get £5 to use off the Birchbox shop, but I haven't had any email saying that, and there's nothing on my website. So if you're in the know, please let me know what happens and whether I should just message them, really, shouldn't I? But anyway, I have got these. I'll just show you the blusher. This is all sealed, but it's like a pinky tones in there. It's a blusher. It is quite nice. I love this brush. Absolutely love it. It is stunning, but there's no point in me having 2. So even though I've got a massive giveaway going on at the moment, I'm going to put these aside for a future giveaway. So yeah, so I'm already starting collecting for that, so I'll do that. What I normally do is grab an item, have a look, show you, have a sniff and everything, and then I'll refer back to the card to see what it says about it. So my first item is an item I love and I do use. This is a mini one though. This is an Amica and it's a bombshell blowout spray, Sea Blackthorn Berry. I have got the larger version of this. When I was a regular subscriber to Birchbox, we had one of these, so it is definitely a repeat, and I loved it. It is really, really lovely. I tend to use it when after I've washed my hair and I put it into my hair and then I tong my hair. So if I want to have really big beachy waves, I find this is absolutely amazing, because I got really fine hair. If I was just to use that and just leave my hair, it's okay, but not really suitable for my hair, but perfect for after you've like tonged your hair or put curls or whatever in it. I think it's brilliant. So no, I do like it, and I'm glad I got it because I'm not sure how much I got left. I have got the bigger bottle, but I'm not sure. I might be coming to the end now because I've had it for quite a while. So the recommended retail price for this is £14.99, and that's for the full size. It says just spritz it through damp strands before styling to provide heat protection, texture and lift. You can also mist it over dry hair for an extra dose of nourishment and to help keep your style in place. So no, quite happy with that, even though it's a repeat and I've already got it, but it's an item I like. So no, so the next item is something else I've got as well. We've had loads of these in different boxes. It is a nice product. It is a Green Frog Botanic natural body wash. They do different fragrances, but in every single box I've had, it's always the same one. It's relaxing geranium and peppermint. So this is what it looks like. You might have seen it in some of my other boxes. I think we had a full-size one in a glossy box a couple of months ago, and we've had this sample-size one, which is 50ml. But I've had this in another box as well. I can't remember. It is nice, and these sizes are handy to pop in your bag if you're going away for a weekend or a night away or something like that. Yeah, it seems to be doing the rounds. So what's it say? So the recommended retail price for this is £8.95, and that's for the full size item. Brimming with moisturising aloe vera and saponin rich soap berries, this gentle wash cleanses your skin while maintaining pH levels. It's great for sensitive skin, eczema and psoriasis. Not exciting, but okay, and it's a nice product. So the next item, oh, it's a little lipstick, and it's a Dose, if I've said that right. I keep forgetting how to say it. And it's a Luscious Lip Stain. Ooh. It's a little mini version. I mean, does it say what colour it is? 606 Steaming Red. Wow, it doesn't look a red. Let's try it on my hand. It feels really nice. It smells nice as well. Gorgeous, like a burgundy browny tone. Pinky to brown then, I would say. No, I do like that. I really like that. So the recommended price for this is £21, but this is a sample size. You will either get it in Steaming Red or Amber Rose. Now, I would say that was more like an Amber Rose, because that is not red at all. It's more like a pinky brown. Never mind. Unlike other matte lip products, this long-lasting formula glides on smoothly for comfortable all-day wear. So no, I look forward to trying that. The colour is something I would wear, so no, I'm happy with that. Oh, I've had this before as well. I can't remember where, I think in a pink parcel last year. So this is Activated Charcoal Natural Deodorant Balm, and it's by Native and Earthed. And that's what that's like there. The reason why I didn't get on with it is because I've got little nails and it's a deodorant balm, and having to gouge my fingers in there to get the product out, I was just finding it was just getting into my nails, and it just really annoyed me. This would be perfect in like a really large round flat pot, so you can rub your fingers on and then apply it instead of putting your fingers in. I can sort of do it, but then I've got hardly any nail on this finger. No, it smells nice. It does smell nice, but it just annoyed me, so I didn't give it enough chance to see what my thoughts are really. But from what I remember, I don't think it was that amazing either. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. I can't give you a proper review on that because I can't remember. So the recommended retail price for this is £7.99, and I'm sure this is a sample. I might be wrong. It could well be full size. It doesn't really say here. It just says that it's had a 4-star review on Birchbox. So I will say down below, I'll find out and I'll say whether it's full size or sample. So this is Native and Earthed, and it says, this all-natural cream foregoes chemicals in favour of sweat-absorbing arrowroot, antibacterial coconut oil and soothing shea butter. Just smooth a pea-sized amount onto clean underarms to form an invisible shield. Simple. So no, because I know I've tried that before, I'm going to give that away. I've just put my finger in it now, so I can't really give it in a giveaway, can I? But yeah, I'll give it away to a friend or something so they can have a go. Right, so my last item, oh, I can't see it. I'm going to have to look. There. Oh my gosh, Ico. Ico is another brand that is in all our beauty boxes, absolutely loads of beauty boxes. It's Ico London, it's a makeup, and it's a skinny liquid eyeliner in black. So it's precise, smudge proof and pitch black, and this is 1.2 grams, and it looks like a little mini one, because I'm sure I've had a skinny one before and it's been longer, but no, that's what that looks like. I'm actually wearing an Ico, and I can't remember whether it's a skinny or not. I don't think it's skinny, an eyeliner today, and I found it really hard work. It's from my Maze Look Fantastic. On my hand, it looked amazing. A lot of colour, a lot of product was coming onto my hand, but actually applying it, especially when I got to the winged part, I find that not a lot was coming out. So I think I'm going to have to hold it upwards to draw out the product, because doing it like this, it wasn't working for me, which annoyed me. But anyway, back to this one. It's got a nice nib. And you can see there. I'm sure I've tried this before. I've tried a thick one, thick nibbed one, which I don't really get on well with. But yeah, it looks nice. It's very similar to the one I'm wearing today. It might well be the same one, I can't remember. It's definitely an Ico eyeliner. But yeah, always excited to try a liquid eyeliner because I always wear them, but I always have trouble finding an amazing one. So yeah, we'll see. So this is a sample, and the recommended retails, I think it's a sample because it does look smaller than any of the other ones I've had, and the recommended retail price for the full size would be £16. Use the tip to draw a few dots as close to your upper lashes as possible, then simply connect the dots for a goof-proof line. The fade resistant formula will last all day and night. So there you go, so that's the 5 products. So I'll just gather them all together. So these are all the items that you got in May's box. An okay box, definitely not an exciting box for me, and I think I am going to cancel and wait a couple of months and see what the summer brings and everything. A few repeats and a lot of brands that are repeated across lots of beauty boxes, but obviously that is not the beauty box's fault, that's mine for having lots of beauty boxes. So yeah, but I do like this spray. I've used it before, so no, I'm quite happy with that. Yeah, I think the lipstick is the most exciting for me, I think, because it's something a bit new and it looks a gorgeous colour. So there you go, so that's the 5 items. So if you like this review, as always, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I have got quite a few unboxings coming up, and I've got some hauls as well. I've been shopping, I've got a holiday coming up, well, a mini trip coming up in a couple of weeks, and then a big holiday coming up in a couple of months. So I've been sort of pre-planning things to buy and wear. So I've been to New Look, ASOS, and where else have I been? Primark. Yeah, so they will be coming up over the next couple of days as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.